Hi my correct people, how una dey? Wonder dey say shall never end o. Abi how we go take describe the two sons wey beat their papa sotey their papa kpai on top say the papa no give them short up money while dem catch am with another woman, or make I say side chick. Joseph Emekeme, wey everybody know as Semikolo, na popular hotelier wey dey live for Delta State. Na im be the chairman of Covenant Suite. Im also be deacon for Winners Chapel. We hear say dis man fall sick after im two sons beat am like seriously. The two sons wey graduate from Covenant University catch dem papa with side chick and ask the papa to give dem short up money of 1 million naira, or else dem go tell their mama wey dey holiday for obodo America. The hotelier no send the pikin, and true the two pikin report the matter to their mama. The second day, the man go visit the wife Coca-Cola depot. Na there the pikin see am and bundle am comot for the place. According to wetin we hear, Joseph reach house go seize the key of the boys motor. Na dis one come make the boys deal with dem papa like Mike Tyson deal with Bruno. When the papa eventually get chance call police for dem, we hear say the boys break one of the police head. Last dem arrest the boys and rush the papa go hospital. Na when the papa condition no improve, dem refer am go University of Benin Teaching Hospital. Na with immediate alacrity, dem mama fly come back Nigeria, come release the sons from police custody. We also hear say the mama by Tulasi go discharge the husband upon say doctor warn am because the man dey for coma. The wife bring im husband home where e come eventually kpai. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.